So it's raining pretty bad out today. I should really be working on these walls. I told myself that this weekend I would get them painted. I still have a little bit of crack filling left, but doesn't seem like that's gonna happen today. It has nothing to do with the rain. It's just the way the rain makes us feel. Just don't want to do anything. We were hoping we could block up some more wood today. We just have so much to get done and it's actually quite overwhelming. Problem is we don't really know where to start. So I think that's making us procrastinate a little bit. We need to do a bunch of stuff outside. There's these corner boards that we have that we still need to add. We have window trims that need to be installed. We have soffits that also need to go up. Some on this side and some on the other side. We have a lot of interior things done, like painting this wall, finishing the hearth on the wood stove, getting the wood stove winter ready really. Aldo decided that he's going to work on the wiring today. I'm not sure how that's going, but that's what he's up to. I'm really not in the mood to work on this wall. Really, the only thing that I want to do right now is carve a pumpkin. We bought some pumpkins yesterday and we've never really carved a pumpkin. So I'm really excited to do that. So I think I'm going to procrastinate a little bit and do that.
Hi! Hi! Say hello. Hello, friends. Okay, you can go down.
Okay, so this is a bit scary. I have literally never done this before. I'm assuming you start off by cutting the bottom off like that. And so that's where I'm going to start. With this. My mom is probably praying if she watches this. Through like this. Okay, I think I got it. Nice and easy. actually turned out pretty good. I can't wait for nighttime. Let's see. It's nice that nothing gets wasted, right? Like these guys can eat it.
I didn't know they could eat that.
Yeah. Apparently they do. Here you go. You guys want some more? These guys are a little picky. I was just a little skeptical that they will actually eat it, but they're eating it.
What is it, boy? What is it?
Well, it looks pretty cool. Well, for my first try, I don't think it's too bad. Right?
Not bad.